Aga. I feel my camera and what's not said, yeah, my camera and
Gogi TV on the go.
Gogi Africa and only so a wushy, and there a benada, Yampon Yadom, Yasha Busume for a say, and there a benumbo sumeno, a da a decaying, a fee emu. There are dears so them quania or denson adomie, Nabusumi so yet me a sha sebi. Now and there's a cram in Sakan, my bonnet of ham rather sombo, set an area prem to break a sable news in brief. Nakassia boy, milk of an asoma sine army to me at the bro. Heritage Media, most of my basuma besomo. We be arrived for media works who be a dear. Join to Heritage Media, and my crowd, some mouse, some papa on the bedge. So we did made a pen for uniform pana videos, BD. Heritage Media, bam. We your business, super sell brand and your managing mount. Your flyers, logos, be a PBR media works and be a dear. Heritage Media, abba, said besomo, some papa, and my name so agile. New Orleans Music and Talent School swab, so we know to one so soon. Some man that I saw abem. Oh, soon that year, that is so benum to need come up, papa, ever, young my mudia. None you always music and talent school abba, said Boa, come. But so your vocal training. Now, and a musical instrument, in a person who's near. Your basset best somewhere, but boy, I'm a day soon in abem. First zone properties and investment group on swabba. So that is also by assassin and so soon your basset, but boy, I'm an abem. So pass I say a man to change any running border for Modia. The First Zone Properties and Investment Group number. Who has a CB award tone? Now, Pesa Opo be on a Bohuderu Amawa. New Heritage First Zone Properties and Investment Group. Abba, some Bohuderu Ama Kama, Ama, the ocean so one sa akam. Way money a Jumel could be a mass intimidate Caseboy, a bro. Kronum cementing, Topio Hospital, a hall and a Jumel me saying now able to. I just say, would need to one man. Every beer or so. And now we have to move beer bit in your friend Ahmad True for 0246 501946. Naturally, say beer so akoso boko amount. Me charming home abba, me ba me jima so me di nane Adwoa Achiaa Oyiakwan.
Gogi TV on the go.
Media service such as live streaming, photography, video production, graphic design works like logos, flyers, brochures. Heritage Media got you covered. Contact us on 0246 501946 or 0207 013485. Heritage Media, the home of transformation.
Gogi TV on the go.
A moment in Amakwa, ye had 7 trim. And you now chair Munian and TSA Ukraine and Russia, so Enya Kasa, just a maintain once be and I'm so I'm a Russia for no. Ato akwato asha Ukraine for such as some de to draw bonnet and ne o ma to train se kan near to as some de akọ so a se si am no kasa okọ Ukraine man mu a enya ni gisem krampo e wo ho no basabasa pa na e koso ai nam so ama ahodo ni bi so ama ahodo pi na mpanyimfo so e de hyehye ya egu akwan mu so mo behwe ama o ma de hye makopiem e wo Ukraine man mu so mo so etimi abeka o mo nsa boni bia ento mo we say na Ghana for so yempanyin for so de hye egu akwama asese am no ka say omo atimi afani pa mako ahanan asese no omo so omo atimi afri Ukraine man ni mu aboni bi anka omo de hye egu akwama so omo betime bedru ye man mu asomdwe mu aboni bi anka omo no ma hye bo say nipa na omo aka no so pi na aka ho no omo behwe se bibia so bibi boni bia ento omo no omo so betime afri krom ho no asomdwe mu me to aso onsem ni ma aye ye sha afiase bosum ya edikan me chobe pombo so ben ne de to so aduonu ene nya ne tese atorenchem bi ato apiatemanfo a omo wo atoye mantem na sa atorenchem ne nam so chese explosion bi ai si ho no ma enam so e ma Kronum nyina eboye emu nipa pi na prepraye na nipa no dumiensa ena hwe omo kwa sisi am no ka say mpanyimfo da beto gya say bosumi ya yesimu ya ena ne dikan no ne da etoso du baako ena mo beye ewufosom ama o ma o mo hwe mo kwa ne nyina nche nipa dumiensa na o mo hwe mo kwa no bosumi ya yewremu ne da etoso du baako no beye ewufosom e de amasa nipa yi nyina meto aso a eye mrashebedani a owodwa aboso nso so enrada obie asopiti mienu ano ewo krom honum asopiti mienu a wasi ama ekrom honum no enrada ena obi ano asese am no kase okọ honum a sa asopiti mienu omo astate eye adwuma wo ma afa dokitafo ene anesefo a omo sha se eye adwuma ewo honum a omanfo mo yare so ede omo ne ani a kire honum a omo gi ayaresa asa asopiti mienu ba ko ewo new so menya ena ba ko enso so ewo kwasi ade krom ani nyina ewo Dwaboso district Dwaboso mansin emu meto aso ai eno adan so akwanhye bi esi ewo achim aboabo na chese Kumasi to Accra kwantempon eso na saa ka akwanhye na efa articulator track bi any pickup bi na chese enya samketo eni enya pantisi am no ka say de enya nante se obi epra anase obi ewu enam saa ka akwanhye mu ye hye mo boss e de atre bibia ebesi dia nso so be ma maso ate aya kwasiada na etwa mu kwasiada ya etwa mu aya odefo bosom ne de to so aduonu nso no so no ka bi ekobo maame fomienu ewo asante mantem bebe e friend say Dr. Mensa enam so maame fo nyina omo hwere omo nkwa ya achese na eyare hosem asesi asesi am no ka say maame fomienu de omo akogu mo trea ye twen say ye beye omo ayi ama bibia so atoto di we ye na nsem kakra mensa kan no ene am de beso mo say ene wi aprem to break kasebo nsema na edi mo akotene ene say ye beye bosuma yesimu na beye awufusum edi ama omo hwere omo nkwa ewo apiate atorenchem no emu Ukraine Russia ho sensem bi so ekoso nso no Ghana mpanyimfo nso so aye hyehye so omo bema adehye omo wo Ukraine mantem nso so omo abedu man mu abraboni bia ento omo we say na nsema hudo bi na mka bo omo am de beso mo se ena wi aprem to break kasebo nipa bi edwumako bi na so masna mtimi edebrel New Orleans Music and Talent School se aba sabe ma da ye so be ye nwum tuni mapa no so abem enti so pesa osua nwum to a pesa osua musical instrument bia New Orleans Music and Talent School na eho na be show no papa ama ho so da so no so abemu Heritage Media so abasa o media works nyina ade pa be don omo na omo e na omo abasa o be so mo eso papa ama ho so wani age First Zone Properties and Investment Group so abasa on sa so sensem bi ade pa be don omo no ma ye krado so be so mo so papa omo ani aboafo omo so masam tim de kasebo yi ebremo semisori coach Adams so ebe the sports highlights mebremo tidbit no odinya bebremo both foreign and local news odinya bebremo matches egu akwam no de ya ba twam nyina de wo part efa sports hu bia de coach Adams ayi card so bebremo sorry the page jumedie no odi eno so ebebremo medina ni Adwoa Achiaa Oyiakwan asada kese ekwan production team members esi ni kwesikiki medamu nyina amase Astabios enkomam ahwefo nyina se mo je ebre na mo hwe na mo tie nsem bia ekoso e wo ye manye ma hodo bi so ma mo nyina mo ene hye ade na emi adom o chance so promote a mesade ka se boni bi ensa ka mesa beka no de beba be so mo medina ne Adwoa Achiaa Oyiakwan makram a ne border form na manso twin ni hu na afa so langa so sansem bia ni hu dia na make am for fourth zone properties and investment group amount e asase pe na wo pe new sites there tete anase de stand esiso zone properties and investment group aba se ma da yeso nyina abem enti fa won sa so won sensem nyina abedon ye be ho fourth zone properties and investment group e Kumasi Kronum cement aye ben top hospital so when you chechemu bia Fresa number 0246 501946 Fourth Zone Properties and Investment Group in Sasira. Are you in need of media service such as live streaming, photography, video production, graphic design works like logos, flyers, brochures? Heritage Media got you covered. Contact us on 0246 501946 or 0207 013485. Heritage Media, the home of transformation.
My name is Adwoa Achiaa, the founder and the CEO of New Orleans Music and Talent School. New Orleans Music and Talent School is a talent school for musicians, people with talent, people that have natural talent and wants to develop it. The school teaches musical instruments, voice training, sound engineering, studio engineering, songwriting, and anything that pertains to music entertainment. We also have a dance club and other aspects as far as music is concerned. The reason why we want everybody to come to New Orleans Music and Talent School is that we have modern musical equipment such as grand pianos, acoustic pianos, guitars, saxophones, and all instruments that one needs to know to be able to become a good instrumentalist or musician. We have a fantastic music studios for practicals and for recordings and other activities that help to make sure your music career becomes a success. New Orleans Music and Talent School also train people as to how to tune pianos, how to repair musical instruments. We also have a special package for churches and organizations that really want to develop their music. Talking about the church, we have a lot of church musicians here, gospel musicians here. Some are even out with their songs, some are training to become the best. New Orleans Music and Talent School is the best place for you.
Gogi TV on the go.